In this video, I will show you how to add music to your Instagram profile. So let's get started. First, make sure that Instagram app on your Android or iOS device is updated. Open Instagram app on your mobile. Now go to your profile page by tapping on profile icon located at the bottom right side. On profile page, tap edit profile. Here you will find an option music. Using this option, you can add music to your profile. Just tap music. Next, you will get an option to select a song. Tap plus icon and this will open music library. You can search for particular music, artist or genre using search bar at the top. You can even listen the song using the play icon next to each track before selecting. Once you finalize your music, tap on music track. Now you need to select the specific part of the music using the slider provided. Once done, tap check mark icon. Again tap check mark icon at the top right side. Once done, visit your profile page and you will find the selected music under your profile picture in bio section. When someone visits your Instagram profile, they will able to play the music from your bio. So that is how you can add music to your Instagram profile. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.